for a two-part of some incredible places, Kaluya Shrine and Kaluya Floating Playground. Features a 45-foot statue of Jesus Christ known as Christ the Redeemer atop a hill. Visitors can enjoy fresh air, floating cottages for picnics and swimming. The local government has developed the area, adding stairs to the statue, which provide a scenic walk. Nature lovers will appreciate the beautiful surroundings and the experience of the shrine. Sa Pangalaga, Misamis Occidental has opened a new 3,500 square meter floating playground at Kaluya.